Okay. Dear students of class 12, good morning all of you. In previous lecture, I have taught you series combination of capacitors. But in this lecture, I will teach you parallel combination of capacitors. Second method, second types of combination, parallel combination of capacitors. In case of parallel combination, we will take all given capacitor together and all capacitors first plate we will connect with the help of connecting wire at a definite point, and second plate similarly we will be connect with the help of connecting wire in second any point. Then after the first point we will charge by any charging machine, and the second point we will be ऑफ। यानी कहने का सेंस ये रहा कि जितने भी हमें कैपेसिटर दिए गए हों उन समस्त कैपेसिटर को लेते हैं एक साथ और सबकी पहली प्लेट को लाइक वी हैव गिवन n कैपेसिटर लाइक दिस फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड and so on, n capacitors, and then the first plate, पहली plate of all capacitors we will connect at any definite point A, okay, and the second plate of all capacitors we will be connected at any point B. The point B we will be earth, and point A we will charge with the Q coulombs. This amount of charge will be distributed in all given n capacitors. If the amount of charges after distribution provide to one by one capacitor Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Q1, and the capacitance of all different capacitors are C1, C2, C3 up to Cm, then the potential between these 2 points will be potential difference of between these 2 plates of capacitors. Suppose that potential difference A to B is D, then potential difference between the plates will be D for all capacitors like this. This will be D, and this is also. Okay. Now we find out the amount of charge with the help of formula of capacitance. Q1 is equal to C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, Q3 is equal to C3V up to Q1 is equal to Cnv, where total amount of charge प्रोवाइड बाय द चार्जिंग मशीन, चार्जिंग मशीन के द्वारा जो टोटल चार्ज प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है वो क्या है, Q है। देन Q इज इक्वल टू Q1 प्लस Q2 प्लस Q3 up to Qn. Now putting the value of Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Qn, this is C1V plus C2D plus C3D up to data CNV. It is your Q. Then taking common V, it is your C1 plus C2 plus C3 dot to Cn. Then Q by V is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 dot to Cn. If the resultant capacitance of all these combined capacitors is C, then Q by V is equal to C. Resultant capacitance of all these capacitors. So C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 up to Cn. It means in parallel combination, the resultant capacitance will be equal to algebraic sum of individual capacitors capacitance. Now I want to give you some numericals related to series and parallel combination. You can see a question like this. I want to give you this question. Is very important question with the help of circuit diagram. You can find out the resultant capacitance of given circuit diagram. You can see a numerical problem related to combination of the capacitors. Question is like this. It is a point A and this capacitor capacitance is 40 microfarad and another connected capacitor 10 microfarad. It is also 10 microfarad. It is a 20 microfarad. It is a point B. Then find out resultant capacitance of given capacitor, connected capacitors. You can see this solution. How can you solve this question? First you will see how many capacitors are connected each other in parallel. How many is series? Equal amount of charge will flow in all capacitors who are connected in series. माने जो कैपेसिटर सीरीज में जुड़े होते हैं उसमें इक्वल चार्ज फ्लो होता है, आज जो पैरेलल में जुड़े होते हैं उसमें अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज डिफरेंट होता है। potential difference equal to the amount of charge q passing from point A, then same amount of charge will be flow with the 40 microfarad. This amount of charge will be distributed into parts, this and this, and then this. Means you can tell the amount of charge distributed in three different capacitors whose capacitance are 10 microfarad, 10 microfarad and 20 microfarad. These three capacitors are connected each other in parallel. We will be combined them in parallel. You know the resultant capacitance in parallel C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Like this, these are C1, C2 and C3. Then C is equal to 10 microfarad plus 10 microfarad plus 20 microfarad. The total it will be 40 microfarad. The 40 will be sum of these three capacitors in parallel. So in new circuit you can perform like this. It is A point and then 40 microfarad, and the three capacitors combinations are 40 microfarad. Okay, 40 microfarad. It is symbol of combination of the capacitors. So now in new circuit AB, in which two capacitors are connected each other. One is the 40 microfarad and others, the combination of these three capacitors are also 40 microfarad. Now these two are connected each other in series because the same amount of current or charge will be passed through these two capacitors. यानी दोनों से इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज फ्लो करेगा. So now the resultant capacitance in series we know 1 by C dash 1 by C4 plus 1 by C. See the resultant of these three equivalent capacitance. 1 by C dash, this thing is your 1 by 40 microfarad plus 1 by 40 microfarad. This thing is your 2 by 40 microfarad. Then C dash is equal to, this cancel, 1 by 20 or 20 microfarad. Then resultant capacitance between point A to B will be 20 microfarad. It is your required result of this combination. Thank you.